Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. We have here a house with an incredible view. Relax on the verandas or on the terrace and enjoy this magnificent view. This home has much to offer, spacious and beautifully appointed with lower level apartment with separate entrance. Lovely garden with lots of fruited trees. The main house has separate dining room, living room, family room, 4 bedrooms plus 1 helper's room, 4 bathrooms and ample outdoor parking. The lower level apartment has porch, kitchen, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The land area of this house is 22,644 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 68 million or US $441.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.